Disclaimer: before continue on this journey, this video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. Content includes opinions and information gathered from public sources and personal parenting experience. We do not claim full accuracy. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual or organization. I am not a licensed child psychologist or family therapist. Always use your own judgment about what's appropriate for your children and consult a professional if you have concerns about a child's anxiety or well-being. The views expressed here are my own. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. Aldi has quietly become one of the best kept secrets for building a serious prep stockpile on a real budget. These are the 12 items experienced preppers never leave the store without. Number 4 is the one most people completely overlook. If you're new here, I cover practical, budget-friendly preparedness. Subscribe for more lists like this. Let's get into it. Item 12, dried beans and lentils, cheap, protein-dense, and shelf-stable for years. Aldi's prices on dried legumes consistently beat major chains, making this an easy bulk buy. Item 11, rice, a pantry staple that stretches meals in stores almost indefinitely when kept dry and sealed. Grab it in bulk while prices are still low. Item 10, peanut butter, calorie dense, shelf stable, and useful in a genuine crisis when quick, no-cook nutrition matters. Aldi's private label version is consistently one of the cheapest on the market. Item 9, canned vegetables, basic, reliable, and cheap in bulk. Rotating a solid stock of canned vegetables is one of the easiest wins for any pantry. Item 8, oats, cheap, filling, and long shelf life. A few large containers of oats go a long way as a base breakfast or emergency meal. Item 7, powdered milk, shelf-stable dairy alternative that stores for a long time and adds nutrition to a range of meals when fresh milk isn't available. Item 6, trail mix and nuts, high calorie, no cook, and easy to portion into individual bags for bug out kits or quick energy during a physically demanding situation. Item 5, cooking oil, a pantry essential that's often overlooked until it's gone. Aldi's basic vegetable and olive oils are consistently priced lower than other chains. Item 4, bouillon cubes. Here's the one most people skip. Bouillon cubes are incredibly calorie light to store, but add real flavor and some nutrition to bland emergency meals. Something that matters more than people expect when you're eating from storage for days at a time. Item 3, bottled water. Aldi consistently prices water flats lower than most competitors, making it one of the best places to build your water reserve without breaking your budget. Item 2, canned meat protein that doesn't need refrigeration and lasts years in storage. Aldi's pricing here regularly beats larger chains on a per ounce basis. Item 1, freeze-dried or dehydrated fruit rounding out the list. This is a genuine nutrition gap filler in long-term food storage. Fresh fruit isn't shelf-stable, but dried and freeze-dried versions are. And Aldi carries several affordable options most people never think to grab specifically for their emergency stockpile. That's 12 Aldi buys that build a serious budget-friendly stockpile without the big box price tag. If you want a full pantry building checklist, the guide's linked below. Subscribe for more lists like this and tell me what you already grab at Aldi. Stay ready, not scared.